Good day. Today we will discuss one of the most relevant topics of our time: changes in the labor market under the influence of automation and artificial intelligence, AI. These technologies have the potential to significantly transform our workplaces, determining which professions will be needed and which skills will become critically important. Let's examine the main trends, challenges, and opportunities associated with these changes. Changes in the labor market. Impact of automation. According to McKinsey's research, by 2030, about 30% of work hours could be automated due to the implementation of AI and other technologies. This means that up to 800 million workers worldwide may lose their jobs due to automation, but at the same time, between 555 million and 890 million new jobs will be created. How do you think automation could significantly affect your profession? Write in the comments. Sectors experiencing the most changes. Manufacturing. In manufacturing, automation has long been used to perform routine and repetitive tasks. With the advent of new technologies, these jobs are becoming more complex and capable of performing a wider range of tasks. For example, according to McKinsey, the introduction of industrial robots could increase productivity by 30 to 40% by 2030. Service sector. In the service sector, automation is gaining momentum. AI can process documents, perform intelligent data analysis, significantly reducing the need for human labor in these areas. According to McKinsey, about 50% of tasks in accounting could be automated. Do you work in the service sector or know someone who does? How do you think automation will make this job easier or harder? Share your thoughts. In healthcare, AI is used for disease diagnosis and medical image analysis. For example, AI algorithms can detect tumors in X-rays with an accuracy of up to 90%, which exceeds the accuracy of human specialists. Digital adoption. It is predicted that by 2030, automation in healthcare could reduce medical service costs by 20 to 30%. Do you think people are ready to trust diagnoses made by AI? Share your opinion in the comments. New professions and skills. Professions of the future. Automation will create new professions that did not exist before. According to the World Economic Forum, by 2025, about 97 million new jobs will emerge in technology-related fields such as data analysis, artificial intelligence, and digital marketing, UiPath. Required skills. With the introduction of new technologies, the requirements for workers' skills will also change. According to McKinsey, by 2030, the demand for technological skills such as programming will increase by 55%, while the demand for physical and manual skills will decrease by 14%. Social and emotional skills, such as creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving abilities, will also become important. Do you or your acquaintances plan to learn new technological skills in the coming years? What exactly do you want to learn? Write in the comments. Challenges and opportunities. Challenges. Automation brings not only opportunities but also challenges. One of the main challenges is the need to retrain workers. According to McKinsey, by 2030, about 375 million workers worldwide will need retraining to adapt to new labor market conditions. This requires significant investments in training and developing new skills. Who do you think should finance the retraining of workers, companies, the government, or the workers themselves? Share your opinion. Despite the challenges, automation offers many opportunities. For example, it can increase productivity and work efficiency, reduce production costs, and improve the quality of products and services. Additionally, new technologies can contribute to economic growth and job creation. It is predicted that global GDP could increase by 14% due to AI implementation by 2030. IBM, United States, UiPath. What opportunities do you see for yourself in the future, considering automation and AI development? Share in the comments. Conclusion. Automation and artificial intelligence will significantly change the labor market in the coming decades. Although this process will bring many challenges, such as the need for worker retraining and the potential reduction of some professions, it also opens up great opportunities for the development of new technologies, increased productivity, and the creation of new jobs. Therefore, it is important to prepare for these changes now by investing in learning and developing new skills to be ready for the future. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to our channel, like, and comment. We are interested in your opinion.